Exploring patentable elements in 3D printing consumer goods. Patentable elements in 3D printing. Patentable aspects in 3D printing consumer goods include unique product designs and structures, 3D printing techniques and processes, and novel materials and formulations. Key patent types for consumer goods include utility patents for functional innovations, design patents for ornamental designs, and process patents for manufacturing techniques. Proving a product's uniqueness involves meeting the criteria for novelty in 3D printed consumer products, distinguishing innovative designs from standard ones. Patent your 3D printed innovation by identifying a novel design or function, conducting a prior art search, and filing a comprehensive patent application. Navigate patent challenges by addressing prior art and fast-evolving 3D printing technologies and balancing creativity with patentability criteria. Protect personalized consumer goods by patenting unique customization methods to ensure exclusive rights to tailored 3D printed products. For comprehensive protection, focus on functionality, design, and process, ensuring detailed claims to secure your 3D printed consumer goods innovations. Collaborating with patent attorneys. Partner with patent attorneys to navigate the patent process and tailor your patent strategy specifically for the consumer goods industry. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.